Hello and welcome to the new video. Today I'm going to teach you how to install Windows 11 officially licensed. So first you need to download the application from the link in the description box. After downloading the Windows PC Health Check RAR file, you have to extract. Then you will get the setup. Then click on the accept and terms and conditions. Then it will download automatically. Then click on finish button. Then click on the application. No need of sign in. You just click on check now and it will show the result that whether the PC can run Windows 11 or not. And if you click on learn more, then it will take you to their official site. Now you have to download the ShowkeyPlus application from Windows Store. So first type in search box the Windows Store. Then in Windows Store top right corner in search bar type ShowkeyPlus. This application will tell you the product key of your laptop or PC. By this application, you will get to know that if your PC is having OEM key, which is pre-installed in motherboard of your PC or laptop. The use of that key is that whenever you will install a new version of Windows, the key will automatically make the next Windows licensed. Now you have to join the Windows Insider program. So now you have to type in search box Windows Insider program settings, then open it. Now there will be option get started. On clicking get started, after filling the information, you will get a mail from Windows. Then you are good to go. Note, in Windows Insider program, you have to choose developer option so that you will be able to access Windows 11. Boom. Now you go into the Windows Update section. There you can see your Windows 11 Insider program update. I started this update at 8:50 p.m. I'm little nervous cause anything can happen with my PC as it is my main laptop. You should have a proper internet with with a high speed so it can install easily and fast, and plug your laptop with a charger so your laptop doesn't get off. Now click on restart button.
And all my fans.
Yeah, a whole lot of fakeness going on, but a shout out to the real ones. Stay strong.